Hey, what's going on, everybody? It's Evan and Nick from N21 for Game. We just got done recording our other video, but tonight I gotta go home quick before my mom beats me. And we're just gonna play best one quick game. But you'll get to see PikaRom and Dragapult. Yeah, I guess we could treat this like a cup. All right. Boom, boom. Star. No, what? I love Star Wish so much. I guess you imagine that you won game one and I won game one, and we're like pressed for time.
You just said both of us won game one. I believe I won game one.
Yes.
I won game two. You won game
Why
one.
did you? Why you get to win game two? I get to make the
Well,
Star come back.
I said that because you went
Make
first.
a play!
That's why.
Nick starts the PikaRom. Going for that vault there. Yeah, my mom's gonna be so mad.
Play that. Discard these two.
Shout out to you, Mom, for being such an awesome mom that lets me record these videos. Yeah.
Evan's mom, you produced a highly entertaining and funny kid, and he gets good grades and gives good speeches in school. And
I actually technically haven't given any speeches
having
in
him
school
around.
yet.
Well, I'm hyping you up. Let me do that. You know, the story people tell about you is always bigger than you. I know that. So I played piano and I did theater in high school, and people always imagined me doing even more. And
You still got to do it, right?
Yeah,
Okay.
doing more than I actually did. So let me return the favor for all those people who helped me out by inflating my ego, and let me tell a story about you that's bigger than you really are.
Oh, hey, it's not 10 o'clock. So I will tell my mom that I am...
Custom catcher.
Oh, jeez. Why are you being so aggressive, Nick? This is rude. Not fun. Aggressive. But I guess this is what PikaRom does. Nick's hoping he gets the nuts.
Yeah. I did not get any
Oh,
nuts.
yeah. Maybe this will naturally be a quick game. I don't know. Oh, jeez.
Make a wish.
Does it get Thunder Mountain? No,
Or wait, nope, that's 6. Power. Discard boss's orders. 4 quick ball. Just an Absol for the lulz.
Oh, it's so aggressive, Nick. Oh my goodness.
And custom catch for 3.
Oh my goodness, Nick. Big worms.
And that was worthless.
This is worthless. It's like that Gravity Falls meme. This is worthless. Wow. Wow.
I'm gonna need this. Absol. Your go.
Oh yeah. Draw. Ooh. Got it. I know this looks dumb, but you'll see why. Stellar. Ooh, 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 ooh. Big bomb. Itty bitty bomb.
Bust.
Whips out the boss's order, swing, knockout. I technically do not need the VMAX. But I did get it, so that's fine. I'm so tough line. And then I will do knockout and then 1. And then 4.
Sounds good. Alright, let's tool scrapper these two. Nope, I'm just gonna Professor's research. Now I'll make a wish.
Juicy Faulkner.
Touch. Your turn.
Oh wow.
Sleep flip.
Quick ball. Headbutt tantrum 1 out of 10.
You're so mean, Evan. Take back all those nice things I said about you and your mother. What are you cooking up? You're fixing to do 110 to this guy.
Money.
I Just got a Faulkner. Come on. Come on. You didn't lose anything out of that, Marnie.
Marsh at a reset hole. And then I will do the attack. And then I will put... guess we'll put all 5 on Denny. Getting close there, Nick.
We sure are.
Oh, I take Brian.
You said stamp. New power. I guess I'm just gonna risk it here. I'm gonna dance the ancients for a lousy 1.
Oh, yikes.
Switch. And custom catcher for 2. Alright. Okay. I got an energy. So we'll full blitz for 180.
And you take 100.
Yep.
Because you used the E-Power. If you didn't use the E-Power, you would have taken the giant bomb. And I just draw for turn, scoop up net, ping to Dene, and then 130 knockout. Perfect numbers.
Oh, yep, that'll do
And
it.
then you still take the 2 from the exchange.
Yes, good game. And that was a lightning round, to be sure.
That's what I was cooking up with the Zigzagoon.
We're used to giving you, yeah. We're used to giving you longer content, but that was a short one for today.
Just watching Dragapult pop up. Less than 10 minutes.
Nice. So this is End to 1 for game. We would like you to follow us on social media. We have links to that in the description. Why don't you give us a like and subscribe while you're at it? What do you think about PikaRom and its potential? And should I have gotten the Tapu Koko V out? And what about Evan?
Whoa, yes.
What should he have done differently?
Oh, okay. I was just, well, I thought you asked what if I knew what you should have done differently. I was like, oh, I was just trying to get through the game. I was like, okay, boom, 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 boom.
You were booming the whole time. Constant booming. It's nice when you're booming the whole time, not booming, taking a break between booming and then booming at the end. Just boom the whole time. Anything else before we sign off?
Mom, I'm heading home.
Hi, Evan's mom.
Don't go out during the coronavirus. I just did this once. I'm going home, y'all.
Area dose.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.